we are wanting to show you some changes that have been made in Schoology. So we're still in our homeroom, like we have been clicking on every day. So I'm going to click on the homeroom. But you'll see now the buttons are different. So this used to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It is now broken apart by subject. We are having to do this because our gradebook is linked through Schoology. So we need everything in separate subjects. So I'm going to go through these buttons with you. First are our live lessons. So we're going to want to start here every day. When you click on live lessons, it's going to open up to different days of the week. So on Monday, we're going to click on Monday, and we'll see Dr. O announcements, which happens every Monday, and then our live lesson for Monday. So we'll start by clicking here and joining our live lesson for that day. On Tuesday and the rest of the week, you'll just see our live lesson because there are no morning announcements. After we finish our live lesson for that day, then students will begin their independent work, and that's when they will be using these different buttons for each subject. So if they click on ELA, which is English Language Arts, it's going to take them to a new course, and this is what we need for our gradebook. We need it broken apart into different subjects. So all they will see when they click on that is click here. And that is the current week we are in. Once they click there, once again, they will click on the day of the week. So for Monday, it will always have an to-do at the top that tells them exactly what to do, and then it will have their module for that day. When they have completed all of their reading, they can go back and they can go to the next button, our math button. So same thing when they click this, it's now taken them to the mathematics course, and they will see click here, which is the current week, and they will click on the current day. So we have Monday, and we have our math to do, so they know everything they need to do for that day, and then they have their math module for that day. Now we do have two more buttons. We have our social studies and our science. And in the email this week, I told you there's no independent work for social studies and science this week. So their folders will be empty right now. But once we do have independent work, they would click on the button, just like the other subjects. Now they're in social studies. And you're only going to see a Tuesday folder. And that is because on our day for social studies is Tuesdays. So right now our to-do says there's no independent work, but in the future they would have something under that Tuesday folder. And then similar for science. So when we click on science, they'll see the click here, and they will only see a Thursday folder, and that's because Thursday is our day for science. I want to show you a few more buttons. So a lot of these stayed the same. They're very similar. So we have our daily to do. If you want to see everything they need to do in one spot, you can click on this. And this is also the same form that was emailed out on Friday. So you will receive a form like this every Friday for the upcoming week, and it will also be in our Schoology page. So if you want to check everything they need to do for the day in one spot, you can click the daily to do. And here shows everything for Monday, Tuesday, and it goes through the week. I still have our contact information, our weekly newsletter, and our schedule. This just gives an overview of what their daily schedule would look like. So this will start tomorrow. We want to make sure we start first with the live lessons, and then they will go through each course. And if you have any questions, be sure to reach out to your teacher.